ये MTR88 कीबोर्ड का डेमो है। MTR88 कीबोर्ड एंड्रॉयड वॉच के लिए और एंड्रॉयड रिंग फिंगर के लिए और KD कनेक्ट के साथ ही रिमोट कीपैड की तरह भी काम कर सकता है लाइनक्स मिंट के लिए। तो इंस्टॉल करने के लिए इसको हमको जाना पड़ेगा। देखो github.com java 810 MTR88 से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। github.com java 810 MTR88 वहाँ पे डाउनलोड फोल्डर होगा, वहाँ से हम डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। इसको हम सेट भी करना पड़ेगा। इसको हम बाकी को MTR एक बार डाउनलोड करेंगे तो इसको ओके करना पड़ेगा। फिर इसको इनपुट मेथड भी हमको यही सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा जो अवेलेबल है उसमें से, वो चेक करना पड़ेगा सिलेक्ट हुआ या नहीं हुआ। उसके बाद हमको टेस्ट में हम चेक कर सकते हैं कुछ भी लिख के, जैसे अगर वो पॉपअप आ रहा है, हाँ आ रहा है, तो ये फुल मल्टी टच है। इसमें जैसे अगर हम एच लिखते हैं तो एच हो गया, के लिखते हैं जैसे मान लो के बनाते हैं तो ये मल्टी टच है और इसमें इसीलिए साइज़ बड़ा है। इसका सेकंड मोड है कि इसको मल्टी टच हटा के फिर करें तो ये सिंगल टच है, इसमें डबल टैप करना पड़ता है। जैसे एच है, अब हुआ नहीं है तो अब हमको डबल टैप करना पड़ेगा तो फिर से एच हो जाएगा। जैसे यहाँ देखते हैं ऐसे इसमें सारे करेक्टर हैं। तो ये आपके एंड्रॉयड रिस्ट वॉच में भी आ सकता है और इससे आप अपने रिस्ट वॉच में पहन के कोई भी कंप्यूटर दूर से रिमोटली हैंडल कर सकते हो, क्योंकि इसमें कंट्रोल ऑल्ट शिफ्ट परसेंटेज मीनू function keys, go, move, home and delete, backspace, all things are there and all characters you can edit here. So we will show a demo for this only. This is the second mode, and next mode is like if we want like it should not be exactly look like 7 segment LCD, then we can use this. Then also it can see, yeah, if we see 2 8s are written in dark color, white background and 2 8 are written. Like if I want to make it H, now black color looks like H. Oh, this one, okay, just once. The first, the LCD which will make it on, that only we have to make it double tap. I, now it looks like I, now it looks like A in that way, now it looks like B. So this 7 segment LCD can be in our ring finger, 2 7 segment LCD, and very small stylus we can handle the Android itself, or we can handle the remote Chrome on TV, remote Linux, remote Windows, etc. So these 2 8 7 segment LCD are there. This can be in ring finger also. Now we will continue like how whether we can edit all the characters or not. So we will use like multi-touch mode first with rectangles, okay, so that we can show it. Now we will go in remote notepad and there we will check. So again we will edit all these characters which I have written earlier. github.com java 810 mtr88, in that download folder, then mtr88 apk we have to install in Android phone, and then we have to, as shown, like we have to set like mtr88 keyboard we have to set, then set input method, then we can see. So okay, now we will show now enter key, enter, yeah. Now we will start with all correct. A and A, A, E, U, A, O. Now I have to hold all the keys till now I will read N. Now we have to press the space. Space is written if we see in this itself, so space goes. Now we have to check B, whether B comes on. We will head to the corner so that multi-touch is possible. B. Now we have to make it C. If we see black color, this 3 1 3 4 6 0, this looks like C. Then back keys are also there, forward key and back both are there. we have to held it for code works just once. D, then further B. It is not difficult actually, but once we have to, our multi-touch screen should be good. Okay, now I can show like delete is also there. So now again D. After that E, F is we have to make it F. Like if we see 6, 4, 3, 5, these 4 segments make it F. F. Now we have to make it G. G. H is already we have seen, small h. I. J also we can make. If we see J, we can guess like 4 and 5. Okay, if we delete, then it will look like J. J. Then K. K we have to make it like K. 3 K. Sometimes anti-pattern and sometimes that. Enter key. L. L we can make it like this, simple, because it looks like L only. And if we select middle L, it will become pipe. Pipe symbol is also needed, so it is pipe, it is not L. L we have to make it this way only. Or another way is like if we see this way also, we can make it L. So now if we have to make it small capital L, there is 2 methods. Like either with this key we have to press L, or otherwise with shift we have to make it very big, then also we make it L. Okay, it is not coming. Okay, so but with this now L is coming. Okay, capital L. Now M, now N, O, P, Q, R is very simple, small r, just 2, like if we see 6 and 5, they looks like small r. S, T, U, V, W. W how to make? This middle looks like middle line of 4, 5 and 2 looks like W. Now it looks like W. So W. Now X. X is difficult. So X is written with yellow key. Yellow X we have to press and X will come. X. Enter. Again we will press X. Because X we cannot grow easily, we cannot identify its shape. So X we have made it printable, label. Now Y we can make. So we will make it Y. Now black color looks like Y. So Y. Now Z is also very simple looking. Z. So this way we have done. Now enter key. Now we have to make it num key. Namon, green color namon. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Jane, L को 10, 10, 9, 10, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 9, 10, 11, 12, W, 13, 3 if we will reverse it looks like 13, so 13 is equal to W, X, same, and then fin we have to press 2 keys, fin. So this is a number system, and now we have to make it dot is also there, dot. Okay, it is not coming like this, so dot we have to press it with num key, dot, or make it off, then also dot will come. Now we have to make it plus, so mathematical signs are also possible. Plus, this is 0 and 1 is P, just once, 0 and 1 is P, but if we will make it with the yellow key, it will become plus. Now same way it is multiply m, but if we will make it this, it is multiply sign is itself there. So just once multiply, we have to press it with shift. Or what we will do, what we can do, like here if we will make it m, it will become multiply in this left right side. Here also we could make it m actually, but okay, with shift we m, capital M, but with this it should become multiply. Okay, then multiply plus minus, minus yellow key. So plus multiply minus, division is also there, and percentage is already written. So these are the mathematical operations, and bitwise computing operations are also there. Enter key, like pipe symbol, caret symbol, ampersand symbol is with the yellow key. Okay, and shift, this also ampersand key, and exclamation mark. Exclamation mark is like pipe. Here also we will see it will become pipe, exclamation mark. So exclamation mark, ampersand, and operator, or operator, and tilde is already written with the yellow key, tilde, and caret symbol is also there. So this is computing. Now next is enter key, and now we can make all the brackets also, like if we see greater than, less than, and if we want to make it bracket, then this bracket. Okay, so brackets are already there. Okay, so now another thing is, so all these symbols, everything we connect. Now we will go for Linux remote keypad. So it can be used as Linux remote keypad also. With KDE Connect we can use remote input. Then we will, if we move now, if we see, if I am seeing like my pointer is moving in laptop, now I can make it keyboard. So I can handle all the things, control, alt, shift, everything. So this way we can use keypad, and it's, this keypad can be on our wristwatch also. Now if I see, like this keypad is on wristwatch, now I will go in KDE Connect. So this keypad, if we, this much keypad if we see in small area, then this can be now we can control Linux. So in Linux laptop, keyboard and touchpad are not needed, just one mobile is needed, and your system, mini PC system will act as a laptop. That's it from demo. Thank you.